Hello everyone, welcome to Neethu's Home Food. Desserts are something that most of us enjoy and crave for the sweet after every lunch. Today's recipe is a simple yet delicious traditional sweet Kashi Halwa. So let's check out the ingredients that we need, and just before that, subscribe and stay tuned for more traditional recipes coming up. So here is 2 cups of peeled and grated ashgard, half a cup of jaggery, 10 almonds crushed, a pinch of crushed cardamom, quarter cup of clarified butter. Here's how I cut, peel and grate the ashgard. You don't need the seeds of it, so just trim it off. Now peel off the skin and just take the flesh and grate it. So here is 2 cups of grated ashgard. Now it's all ready. You can start making halwa. Heat a pan, and you don't have to add any clarified butter now. Just add in the ashgard and cook it for 10 minutes. So here is how it looks after 10 minutes. Give it a good mix again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. So it has been 5 minutes again. Now is the time to add the jaggery. Make sure you keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Add jaggery and give it a good mix. The jaggery will get melted by the heat by itself. You don't have to add any water. Another 5 minutes for all the jaggery to get absorbed and blended together with the veggie. Now after 5 minutes, here is how it looks. Add half a spoon of clarified butter. Give it a good mix. Then again add the remaining clarified butter and mix it well. Add a pinch of cardamom powder, the crushed almonds. Give it a good mix and it's all ready to serve. You can turn off the heat and serve it. I just love the golden color the jaggery has given to the sweet. The texture looks perfect, the color is also perfect, so it's ready to be served. There you go. Here is the absolutely delicious Kashi Halwa, which is a must try, and you can enjoy this after any wholesome meal. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for instant update, and stay tuned for more traditional recipes.